In this video, I am going to show you how to add a McDonald's gift card to the application. Keep in mind that this is possible for eligible US McDonald's Arch card. So physical Arch cards and e-gift cards can be transferred into the McDonald's app as a digital gift card. Once the balance is transferred, it can become available only in the application, and the transfer can't be reversed. So first of all, you'll need to go and open the McDonald's application and sign in into your account. If you don't have an account already, just go and create one before continuing. Once you do so, you'd like to navigate to the section where you can manage gift cards. Just go to the menu and click on gift card option. If your app version supports digital gift card, you will see the option to add or transfer an Arch card. Availability may vary depending on your country or region. At the moment, it's only available in the US for the Arch card. So once you click on it, you'll have to click on add card option, basically, or redeem option once you enter your information. And basically, you'll have to enter the information from your physical or e-gift card. Depending on the card, you'll need the gift card number and a security pin. So you'll have to enter those, then confirm the transfer. Once you do so, the balance will be transferred to the digital card inside the application. Keep in mind that the transfer cannot be undone and the balance will no longer be available on the original gift card, physical or e-gift card. Multiple eligible cards, of course, can be combined into one digital balance as well. So now, once the balance has been transferred, you can use the digital gift card for eligible purchases made through the McDonald's app. If your balance isn't enough to cover the full order, you may be prompted to choose another payment method for the remaining amount. And that should be it for you. So that should be it for me in this video. That's basically how you can add McDonald's gift card to an app. I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.